Hi, it's Angeline here. Have you ever wondered how you can mix mixed media into your card making? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use collage paper on a card. So first, I've already stamped and colored this beautiful set from Unity, which is called From This Day Forward, with some Spectrum Noir, Copic markers, and watercolors here. And I'm grabbing my Jane Davenport napkins, or you like to call them collage paper or tissue paper. And I like to use a portion of this huge piece. So what I do here is to grab my water brush and just water it along the lines to tear it easily so that it gives a really nice natural edge. To get a more transparent look from the napkin, remove the ply from behind carefully to adhere to your card. So this way, if you had any stamped images behind, then you could see through the background. But in this case, because I'm using white as the background, I guess you can't really see the difference. So here I'm just trimming it down further to fit onto my card, and I'm grabbing the Tim Holtz Collage medium and brush here to brush it onto my card, and just applying a layer onto my card first and then placing the tissue directly on top of it and trimming it down further if you need to. Here I'm just again using my water brush and then placing another layer on top of the tissue paper just to seal it all in. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this mixed media technique today, and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!